Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting digital music keyboard. Specifically a 61 key model that seems designed to cover a lot of bases, from absolute beginners to those looking for a practice instrument or even something for performance. This particular keyboard piano comes with 61 delicate black and white keys, offering a standard layout that's familiar and easy to navigate. One of the neat little additions is the mini microphone that comes with it. This allows someone to sing along while they are playing, which is a fun feature, especially for younger players or just for adding another layer to practice sessions. Getting started with this keyboard also seems straightforward, as it includes both English and Chinese instructions, making it easy to understand and learn the basics or explore its functions. Speaking of functions, this keyboard is packed with features. It boasts an excellent selection of 16 different kinds of timbre, giving a good range of instrument sounds to experiment with. There are also 8 kinds of percussion instrument recordings, 10 different rhythms to play along with, and 6 demo songs to listen to or learn from. On top of that, it offers adjustments for both the beats and the overall volume, giving the player control over their sound and timing. The description highlights the sound quality, stating that the piano sound is more delicate and moving. It describes the bass as rich and full, the treble as cool and round, and the overall tone as layered. This suggests a focus on providing a pleasing audio experience, which is crucial whether someone is just starting out or has more experience. The design of the keys themselves is also mentioned as a key feature. They are described as being more responsive, full of texture, and full of flexibility. This kind of key feel is important for developing proper technique and can make playing more enjoyable and comfortable over longer periods. The combination of these features, from the sound quality to the key feel and the included functions like recording, makes it suitable for a wide range of users. It's presented as being great for new beginner adults who are just starting their musical journey, for piano practice sessions to hone skills, or even for professional performances, suggesting a versatility that could appeal to many. The recording feature is a special edition that allows players to capture their creations or practice sessions, which is invaluable for learning and improvement. Overall, it appears to be a well-rounded digital keyboard aiming to provide a solid playing and learning experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.